Hey guys, we're out in the garden. Last night I was out when it was getting dark like I often am, and I was afraid that we had a powdery mildew situation on our hands because I have had that problem every single year so far that I've grown squash and cucumber. Thankfully that's not the case, but we do want to prevent it from happening. So good airflow in your squash plants, cucumber plants is super important to the prevention of diseases like powdery mildew. You want the leaves to be staying dry. And that will help prevent a lot of your problems. If you do have a lot of problems with powdery mildew, you can do 1 part milk to 2 to 3 parts of water in a spray bottle and just spray your leaves as a preventative measure. And hopefully that would kill the life cycle from returning in the next year. My beans here are looking okay, but don't be afraid to prune off some of the leaves on your squash, especially your cucumbers, and get that airflow good. So every single leaf is a nice solar panel for your plants and providing lots of good opportunity for photosynthesis. This one is struggling mightily. Some critter had its way with it, so this probably won't survive or produce any fruit, but it's still trying. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get one out of it before it completely dies on me. And over here, we've got another one that's producing quite a bit of foliage as well. So again, any of them that look like the bugs have gotten to them, or any that just seem very close together, feel free to thin that out a bit so that you have some better airflow for your plants overall. And just add these nice spiky leaves to your compost. So all your squash varieties are gonna have these nice little spikes. They aren't too irritating to the skin usually. You're not gonna harm your plants by pruning it back. You're actually doing it a favor here, so don't be afraid to give it a good haircut, and you'll have a lot better squash production. Whether it's summer squash like zucchini, yellow straight neck, crookneck, or cucumbers, acorn squash, pumpkins, just get rid of those disease looking leaves before you get bigger problems. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks.